Children, welcome back to computer class. Let us start today's class. We were learning about the lesson tools of word processor. We learnt about bold, italic, underline option, text case and text alignment options in the previous video. Today we will be learning about line spacing, paragraph spacing, bullets and numbering. Let's begin with line spacing option. When we type the text in a document, we may need to leave the space between two lines. The vertical space between two adjacent lines is called as line spacing. Line spacing is the vertical space between two adjacent lines of a paragraph. We can increase or decrease the line spacing between the lines and paragraph. To change the line spacing, we have to follow these steps. To change the line spacing of a paragraph, we have to select the text which we type in a document area. After selecting the paragraph, we have to click on Home tab. In paragraph group, we have line and paragraph spacing option. If you click on the drop down arrow of that, it drops a list below. In that, we can choose the desired option or desired points for our line spacing. So in this way, we can change the line spacing. We have another way to change the line spacing, that is, after selecting the paragraph, we have to click on paragraph launcher dialog box. So a small arrow next to the group name. If you click on that, here it is paragraph group. So if you click on that arrow mark next to paragraph group, you get paragraph dialog box. In that, you can choose any option which is available in line spacing. Here you can see under the line spacing option, we have different points and different spaces. That which is required for our lines, we can use that. So this is another way to change the line spacing. Now let's move on to the next topic, paragraph spacing. As we came to know, it's a vertical space between the lines is called line spacing. So here the vertical space between the paragraph. So we can give a space above the paragraph or below the paragraph, before the paragraph or after the paragraph. This spacing is called as paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing is the vertical space before and after a paragraph. Here we have the steps to change the paragraph spacing. As usual, we have to select the paragraph above or below which we have to apply the spacing. So in the line spacing option, as we discussed in the line spacing, we have a line spacing option in the paragraph group. If you click on the drop down list, we get a list below. In that, you have add space before or add space, remove space after paragraph. So if you click on add space before paragraph, where you place the cursor above to that paragraph, you get a space. So this is one way of giving a space for a paragraph. We have another way to give the space before or after the paragraph. To do that, we have to click on the paragraph dialog box launcher. We get the paragraph dialog box. In that, you have a separate option called spacing. In that spacing, you have before and after. You have spin box next to that. If you use the upward spin box, you get more points, and if you use downward spin, you get less points. So by using that, you can increase or decrease the space which you require above or below the paragraph. So in this way, we can apply the space above or after the paragraph. Let's move on to the next topic, numbered and bulleted list. Bulleted and numbered list. Look at the picture, children. When we are writing on a textbook, sometimes before the list of items, we use symbols. Or sometimes before the list of items, we use numbering. It may be ABCD, alphabets or numbers or Roman numerals. Here not only this symbol, we may use different types of symbols to make the points clear or to make it recognized. So this option Using symbols or numbering before the list is also available in MS Word. We can apply symbols or numbers before the list of items. This is called as bulleted or numbered list. To create a bulleted and numbered list, we have to follow these steps. After typing the text, we have to select the text. After selecting the text, we have to click on Home tab. In paragraph group, we have bullets option. If you click on the drop down arrow of bulleted list, it drops a list below. In that, whichever the type of bullet you require for your points, you can select it. This way, you can apply the bulleted list. You can apply bullets to the typed text. So, when you select this bullets option, that bullet, that symbol will be applied for your text. In the same way, we can apply numbering. Next to that bulleting option itself, we have numbering list. So, if you click on the drop down arrow of that numbered list, it provides the drop down list below. You can select any one of this type of numbering for your text. So, whichever the type or format of numbering you selected, that will be applied for your text in a document. In this way, we can apply bullets or numbering for your text.
Changing the line spacing. Line spacing is the vertical space between two adjacent lines of a paragraph. In Microsoft Word, you can increase or decrease the line spacing between paragraphs. To change the line spacing of a paragraph, follow the steps. Step 1. Select the paragraph and click on the Home tab. Step 2. Click on the line and paragraph spacing drop-down arrow in the paragraph group. Step 3. Choose the desired option from the list that appears. Or, Step 1. Click on the Paragraph dialog box launcher on the Home tab. The Paragraph dialog box appears with the Indents and Spacing tab opened by default. Step 2. Click on the drop-down arrow of the line spacing option and select the required line spacing. Step 3. Click on the OK button and observe the change. Note, by default, the line spacing is set to 1.0. Changing the paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing is the vertical space before and after a paragraph. To set the paragraph spacing, follow the steps. Step 1. Select the paragraph and click on the Home tab. Step 2. Click on the line and paragraph spacing drop-down arrow in the paragraph group. Step 3. Click on Add Space Before Paragraph or Add Space After Paragraph from the list that appears. Or, Step 1. Select the paragraph and click on the Paragraph dialog box launcher on the Home tab in the paragraph group. The Paragraph dialog box appears on the screen with the Indents and Spacing tab opened by default. Step 2. Click on the spin arrow of the Before and After options and set the required spacing. Step 3. Click on OK button and observe the change. Creating bulleted and numbered list. When you make a list of items, you put a dot or a number at the beginning of each item so that it can be easily recognized. Word 2010 helps you create a list of items with numbers or bullets in a document. To create a bulleted or a numbered list, follow the steps. Step 1. Select the text and click on the drop-down arrow of the bullets option in the paragraph group. Step 2. Select a style from the bullet library. The selected text becomes bulleted and the indents automatically adjust to separate the text from the bullets. In the same way, the numbered list can be applied to the text.
Children, let's recap what we learned today. We learnt about line spacing, that is the vertical spacing between two adjacent lines, that we can increase or decrease by using the paragraph group line spacing option. Paragraph spacing, that is the vertical space before or after the paragraph. Even that can be changed by using the line spacing option which is available under the paragraph group of Home tab. We also learnt about bullets and numbering list, bullets which provides a symbol before the text, numbering which provides the numbers or alphabets before the text. To use this, we have the options in the paragraph group of Home tab. This is your home assignment. I request you to write this in your homework book. Thank you.